This is Goku that I made in 2019. After 5 years, I want to remake it to see how much I improved after all this time. Bandsaw is the good tool to help you to cut correctly all the outline of the model, and you can just remove all the unnecessary parts. Just be careful with your finger. Alright, we just finished cutting the basic shape of Goku, and now I'm gonna make the detail. This is the basic shape from the side, and you can see the body still looks square and angular. So my job now is to route all the parts of the body so it's not look angular anymore. Body is good now, so I will finish the basic shape of the leg. I can say that drawing on wood is difficult, but I still have to draw the same details over and over again. Even though later I will cut that part, then I will have to draw it again. This part is scary because the face is difficult for me. One mistake and you make the ugly face, you ruin entire statue. That's why I will have to make the details around the face clearer so that I can have a better feel for Goku's face. The basic shape should look good like this. Normally, the artist at my studio will complete the details of the body and clothing first, and then work on the details of the face. But I prefer to detail the face first, because if I make a wrong part of the face, or the face doesn't look right, I will stop working on that statue. In order to carve the Goku's hair, you have to identify the main hairpiece to carve first. The one in the middle and the rear of the face will be the highest. Then gradually, you just need to lower the surrounding hair pieces from inside to outside, high to deep. Then draw the hair piece and make it more sharpened. And I really like the muscle, and now we will make the muscle. Version of Goku from 5 years ago, the shirt is not torn and then the muscle was not exposed. So I want to upgrade the level of detail on the clothing and the body, so I will make the shirt with many torn pieces, show his strong chest. I really enjoy making clothing details and the muscles, and when you can see the firm chest and the torn pieces around his shirt, you know how strong and powerful he is. To cut his pants with a lot of force. A typical style of Goku, you just need to draw all the lines first and then carve it out. When I was a kid, I always dreamed of having a Goku suit and try some Kamehameha in front of my friends, but I couldn't have one. So when I look at the suit that I make now, I feel proud. want to make his boost fly off the ground. I tried this standing style many times when I was a kid, so I got this pose. What do I do when I don't know what I'm gonna do next? I go to my class. This is my class, and sometimes I teach people how to make the wood carving. When I came up with an idea to remake a Goku statue, I wasn't sure everyone would like it. I was also afraid that it would be a step backwards of my content, not new, not interesting, and just a copy of the past. But you know, I always want to make Goku all day, all week, all year. He always my favorite. And it's been too long from the last time I carved one, so I decided to just do it. I hope that version of me from 5 years ago can see this and know that he has improved from that day. It is a freestyle design for the base that I just came up with. I'm thinking about the Goku standing on the clouds with this many energy coming out. But then I changed my mind, and then I thought a Dragon Ball with 1 star may be the cool thing to put on the base. I think I will make the star empty and then put a light into it. So I will make the power like this and this. So I need to find the red wood. I think it's really cool. These are the final stages before completing the wood carving, and I can't wait to see the final result. The energy aura will look like this. Lower this part, make it like base. This part is rotten, but it's okay. It's a beauty of nature. Because of the sunlight, the body here turned darker a little bit. So now I will make it newer and finish the hair with more texture of the piece. Hair, we will make it more detailed. Every hair piece we will carve many lines off. It's 8 p.m. now and just only me in the studio. I feel like the bass lack of something. The aura is still good, but it's not enough. So I come up with this idea. Stick to here. Here. Happy now, and I hope you already enjoyed the making process with me. And I want to say thank you to you guys for all the support. A big thanks, the huge thanks. And here's the final result with the light.